Oh my God, it's hailing! What's going on? It's hailing! I just heard some hail and I was like, what the hell? It's the middle of the night. Oh, what time is it? 11:08. It's not as late as I thought. Okay, it's 11:08 p.m. May 27, 2019. We're getting hail. Wow. What is this? Whoa. Oh my God. Hang on. My phone has to ruin this. There. Look at that. Oh my God. Whoa! I haven't seen weather like this in a long time. Oh my God. Guys, look. Wow. This is the biggest hailstorm I've seen in a long time. This is more hail than yesterday. All of a sudden I heard noise and I was like, what's happening? What is this, Mother Nature? May 27, 2019. Look, another one. Guys, look at that. The hail is pea-sized. It's a bit smaller hail. Pea-sized hail. Still crazy. Second hailstorm of the year. It's been a bad one. Wow. Whoa! Holy crap! Wow. Guys, this is a small hail, but this is a major hailstorm, even though it's small hail, pea-sized hail. Look at how much is coming down right now. Look at how much is coming down. Oh my God. This storm came from like Missouri or something. It's crazy. This is like something you likely see in Missouri. Oh my God. This storm came from Oklahoma and Missouri. This is pretty intense. Wow. This is fun to watch. Oh, a lot of lightning over there. Holy crap. Whoa. Whoa. Unbelievable. Look at this hail. Oh my. Look. Guys, look. Look at all that hail! Oh my God! Look at all this hail! Holy crap! Dude! Like, oh my God, this is incredible hail! sorry. Oh, man. This is like Dippin' Dot sized hail. It's like a bunch of Dippin' Dots. Look at that. The hail's falling harder. The hail's falling harder. I hope this doesn't start dinging our vehicles. Wow, this is a much worse hailstorm than yesterday. Oh my God. What's going on with this week's weather, dude? This week... Oh, that hit me. That hailstone hit me. That is crazy. Ooh, it's making noise on the roof. Holy crap. This is actually making noise on the roof now. Wow. This is quite a hailstorm. What the hail?
Yeah.
Dippin' Dot size hail. Dot sized hail. Yeah. Look over here. You gotta see this. I'm sorry I woke you up.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I didn't wake you up. Oh, okay. That's good to know. Wow. Never have I seen anything like this in a while anyway. I won't, I promise. You scared me. No. Don't worry. I'm watching them. They won't get out. I'm watching them. Holy moly. Yes, I know I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Well, it's that type of year, guys. Oh my God. Wow. This is pretty good. Quite a start to 2019 thunderstorm season. Still hailing. Not done with hail yet. Oh, I thought we were done with hail. Well, it's winding down a little bit. Now it's getting worse again. Hail's falling again. Oh no, more hail. That's not good. Ooh, this is pretty bad. Ooh. Hope the hail doesn't get even bigger. Ooh. Dude, that was one of the worst. Mom, a major hailstorm. Still, look over here. This is pretty good. I know, but still, there's a lot of it. You should see truly how much hail is falling. I haven't seen this much hail fall, I don't think, ever. Ooh, there's pretty big lightning over there. Near that school.
Oh gosh, don't have...
What? No, they won't, I promise.
Oh.
I'm watching it. Look,
Oh, okay.
I'm standing here, I'm watching them.
Yeah.
Wow. Hail's still falling.
Yeah, we're in the red right now. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, I am recording. Because this is good footage. Ooh! It's a pretty good one right there. Sorry, I just saw a really big one. Hey. I bet the sound in this video is going to be good. No, he won't, I promise. Look, I'm guarding this. I'm watching you. Get a little bit of lightning on camera. Yeah, it's a little chilly outside because of all the storm. Hail still falling down. Some. Maybe not as bad.
Alright, close it pretty soon, okay? Then
Yeah, I'll give it about a minute. Because I want to make it have good audio.
you're not going out there.
Hail's still falling. That's fine. No worries. Oh, hail's getting bad again. There it goes, coming down. Oh, I missed that. That was such a good one. All right. There.
Oh, okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Thanks, you too, sweetheart.
All right, I sure will. This storm has caught my attention. I was like, oh my gosh, I better go film this. I was in my room busy with other stuff, doing end credits tonight, and all of a sudden I heard some noise upstairs. I was wondering what was going on. All of a sudden I see this huge hail. I don't know how long it's been hailing. It's been hailing probably good 10-15 minutes is my very best guess. I don't know exactly. Hail still falling. Oh, this is bad. A lot worse than last night. Wow. Some direct lightning coming. Rain's just pouring over there. It is still hailing. Little bit. My God. A lot of hail. Oh, literally the second I threw it off, there was a good lightning. Oh, well. Wow, pretty good. Hail's still falling. Time check, 11:22 p.m. I'll probably make a video about another minute, and then I'm gonna go. I don't want to make the video too long, because then it might take a while to upload. Hail's still falling. And if it gets worse, I will try to make another video the best I can. It looks like it's weakened some of it, some. Come on. hail over there still. Leaking some. I think I got the worst of it. If it gets any more worse, I'll show you guys. It's still hailing some, but I have to save some space. I mean, some memory. If it gets a lot worse, I'll record. This has been a pretty bad storm tonight. See you guys in the next video.